Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how I repaired the VTS on my 1996 Sea-Doo GSX. So what I ended up doing is it's no longer has the electric motor in it. So your buttons up here will not work, but it's now manual. So what I did is I took off the old electric motor, which is right here. So you want to undo that. It's just 2 Phillips screws, and then pop this cover off. That's on the front. It would normally go like right in there, and then you will take a carriage bolt like this one here. I believe that this is 3/8, and then grind down the end of it so that way it'll fit in there's like a little hole right in the middle of that. So you want to take and make it so that way it'll fit in that hole. And I just tack welded it on there and put a knob that I got from one of my mowers. I don't know which one. I just had it laying around and I screwed it on the end with a jam nut. So now all you do is to adjust your VTS is you just twist your knob and it'll move your VTS or your trim back here on your jet pump. So let me see if I can twist this. So I'm twisting it. And when it maxes out, it'll just stop itself. So you can see that angle right there. And then when I take it down to full max, it'll bottom it out just like your electric motor would. And a lot of people don't use this much anyway, because you don't really do much with it besides make it so that way you can ride in different styles. But normally you just cruise around and do whatever. But then when I twisted that down, you can see the difference. So the reason why I did this is because when we took it out to the lake today, it wouldn't get on plane very easily. It'd take it a minute to get up on plane, and when 2 of us were on it, you'd have to lean way forward on the front of it, and then it would start plowing water with the nose, and then you'd start filling it with water, as you can see down there. So that was just a quick little video on showing you how I turned my electric VTS on my Sea-Doo to a manual, just turn knob style. But one downside to this is that it's hard to get your battery out. You may have to, I haven't tried it yet, but you might have to pop your cover back off. I'm actually going to take my plastic cover and just drill a hole in it, take my knob back off, so that way it'll still all be covered up in here. But you may have to pop your cover off and undo your nuts on there, your 4 nuts, to take your battery out, so that way you can easily get it out without tipping it upside down and everything else, because it's not good for them. So if you like this, make sure you stay tuned for more, and don't forget to subscribe.